Oh, look, another piece.
Squirt him with the gun. Squirt him with the gun.
Watermelon out of my ass onto your face.
Love. Love. Love.
You gotta be still though.
Done?
I'm done!
Promise? Promise?
The dog was peeing on me.
Aaron, back up.
Promise?
My eyes burn.
Promise?
I promise.
Back up.
One more piece.
No, no!
We'll call it
That's
quits
not
if you're
fair.
done.
I'm done. That's quit.
Swear?
I swear to God, Piggy promise.
Stop, seriously. Stop, seriously. Want some melon to throw at him?
No.
Here goes a piece. If you want to throw it at him. Here you go, Jerry.
There has been a truce.